If you're looking for protein-rich diet, then Soya Champ is best option for you. So let's get started today with chili air-fried Soya Champ. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. So let's get started. So here I have taken 10 to 12 boiled soya champ, and now let's start it with the dry spices first. For the marination of the champs, so I have taken 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon haldi powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, and 1 tablespoon garam masala. After that, I will be adding salt to taste and 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 2 tablespoon besan, which is gram flour. Mixed all the spices with soya champ and marinate for 30 to 40 minutes. And after that, air fry them at 360 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Now in a pan, I'll be adding 2 tablespoon oil, and on a high flame, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic minced, and now I will be adding 1 chopped onion. Fry onion on high flame. Once it's done, after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll be adding my 1 cup bell pepper, just cook it for 30 to 40 seconds, and after that I'll be adding mixture of all the sauces which I have combined together. To see the quantity of all these sauces, please check the description box. And now I'm gonna add my air fried soya champs. Coated them very well with the sauce which we have made. And now I'm gonna add my slurry, which I have made with 2 tablespoons corn flour with half cup water. Mix it very well. And now turn off your gas and let it sit for almost 5 minutes before serving. Sprinkle some ginger julienne and sesame seeds, which is my favorite of course, and garnish it with some coriander, and your chili soya champ is ready. Enjoy it with any type of a rice. Here I am using with vegetable rice. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please thumbs up and comment in the comment section, and yes, bell icon, don't forget to turn on the bell icon also. Thank you for watching my videos. Do share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.